For today in our plant propagation series, and this is part 2, we're going to talk about a couple terms, and that is stratification and scarification. It's important to understand these terms when talking about, especially when talking about growing trees from seed and things like that. So let's break that down for you real quick. Both of those processes are natural processes that break dormancy. Okay, so if we look at stratification, stratification is simply the act of a seed simulating a winter. So it doesn't want to break dormancy before it goes through a winter. It's a natural process that keeps it from germinating and then dying. Okay, so if seeds just germinated whenever, all the time, and winter hits, it would die. Okay, so they wait for this cold period, and then a warming period, and warm and moist, and then it germinates. Okay, that's stratification. So we can simulate that in different ways, or we can do it naturally. And I'll talk about that here briefly. Scarification, again, is it's the breaking of dormancy. Okay, a seed again is dormant, and we have to break that. All right. Now, in nature, that happens through, say, passing through the digestive tract of an animal, or even fire. Okay, so heat will break that dormancy, and then it will be able to germinate. So if we think about lodgepole pine here in North Idaho, they have what are called serotinous cones. Not every single one of them, but in general, the lodgepole pine has serotinous cones, meaning it actually requires fire for those seeds to come out and be viable for germination. So let me show you here real quick. This is Sheffield's seed company, great company. We're not affiliated with them in any way, although it would be cool if we were. They're a good company. We've had good success with them so far. And we have a couple different species of tree here. You have Antonovka apple and then black locust. Okay, so if you look at the directions here, it says scarification, stratification. So you scarify it by soaking it in water and letting it stand, and then you cold stratify it for 60 days. What we did is put it in the refrigerator for 60 days to simulate that. And then we germinated or sowed the seed and then germinated. I'll show you that in a minute. Black locust, on the other hand, doesn't require stratification, only scarification. So we did that by soaking it in hot water, not quite boiling, just below boiling, and let that stand for 24 hours, and then we sowed it, and you see the germination. Okay, so if you look over here, this is Antonovka apple and black locust. So again, scarification and stratification for this. Next time we get together, we're going to talk about a little bit more in depth about this and the differences between natural germination outside and artificial germination, which is obviously what we're doing. So next time,